Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fulfill orders in Wix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to official website of Wix. After that, log into your account and go to your dashboard. And then go to the settings in the left side menu. Here, select shipping and fulfillment. You will be redirected to this page. Here, scroll down and you will see fulfillment services. Just tap on add fulfillment services and you will be on this page. Here, tap on add fulfiller and a pop-up will appear. Inside it, you can now add details and then click on save and continue. From here, you can now assign products to service. After that, just click on done and that's it. So that's basically how you can fulfill orders in Wix. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.